Hi there, Titans. My name is Paige, and today I'm going to show you how you can give your Titan signers a disclaimer message before they sign the documents that you have sent to them. So this can be a really good tool to help make sure that all of your information is portrayed to your signers before they sign the documents. So here are my fields that my signers will be signing, and then I can enable my show disclaimer right here, and then we're able to configure these. So I've already kind of written these out a little bit. Let's just go through them together. I'm going to say signatures are required for service as the title, or maybe I'll say it like, this is an online signature tool. The message will be, please agree to sign electronically or send via mail by printing. Actually, I'll just say, please agree to sign electronically. That's good. And then the caption, this is for the checkbox that they'll be checking to say like, I agree. So I'll say I agree. And then the approve is actually, this is the button. So I'll say confirm. Apply, save. And now let's test this together by clicking here, and then we can go down here, and then we'll just send this out. The first person that signs it is the account email, and then the second person that signs it is the account owner. And so that is a template that will be sent out dynamically to each person and then signed and sent back to Salesforce dynamically as well. So now let's sign our document, and we can see our lovely little disclaimer message. So this is an online signing tool. Please agree to sign electronically. I agree, confirm. And now our user is able to sign their half of the document. So that's a really cool feature for any disclaimers that you need to provide to your signers before they sign your documents. I hope this helps, and thank you for watching.